Happy.
The illusion pendulum is the most difficult experiment in this set. First you have to find a place to hang the pendulum, and with a clamp it should be no problem on a bookshelf or something like that. I have a piece of cardboard here, and then I hang it so it can swing freely. It works fine. And then we have the Polaroid glasses here. The two Polaroid filters are like sunglasses, and we can dim the light when we turn the filters over each other. See? Now it's dark like sunglasses. You hold the dark filter in front of only one eye, but you still keep both eyes open. Okay? Now it's time to start the pendulum. You have to be very patient to see the effect of the experiment, and probably try several times before it works. After a while, it seems like the pendulum swinging around in a circle, not just from side to side, but also coming closer to you. Wow! What is going on here? Well, when you hold the sunglass in front of one eye, you have two different views, because the sunglass delay the vision a little, and that confuses your brain to misunderstand what you see. Yes, I said delay the vision, and this tiny little delay in only one of your eyes makes your brain believe that the pendulum swings around. Wow, what an illusion.